Ready to blast off into the world of faster, cheaper decentralized applications? Then buckle up, because we're diving into the Binance Smart Chain. First, you'll need a wallet compatible with BSC. MetaMask is a popular choice. Download it and create a new wallet, making sure to securely store your seed phrase. It's your key to everything. By default, MetaMask is set up for the Ethereum network. We need to add Binance Smart Chain. Click on the network drop-down menu. Now, select Add Network. You'll need to enter the Binance Smart Chain network details, the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. You can easily find these values on Binance's official documentation. Pause the video if you need to input those values in the settings of the wallet. Once you have configured the BSC network settings, you can navigate to Binance official website for the correct BSC network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Great. Now, you need some BNB, the native token of BSC, to pay for transaction fees. Transfer BNB from your Binance account or another exchange to your MetaMask wallet. Double-check the address to make sure you are sending it to your newly created BSC wallet and not to an Ethereum wallet. With BNB in your wallet, you're ready to explore the world of BSC dApps. PancakeSwap is a great place to start. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the dApp to begin trading, staking, or participating in other DeFi activities. The beauty of BSC lies in its low transaction fees and faster confirmation times compared to Ethereum. This makes it ideal for frequent transactions and smaller investments. So, explore, experiment, and discover all the exciting possibilities within the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Just remember to always do your own research before investing in any project. Happy exploring!